carbon monoxide smoke detector here. It only beeps like a few times, like 4 times pause, and that's the end of the test. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that's loud. Yeah, that's loud. Right there. That's it. And after it's done that, both of the lights are off, and then in a few seconds, the green light turns back right here, and this says power here. It says 4 beeps move to fresh air. Call 911. It just turned back green. Bye. And subscribe, and it's my first video, and turn that way because there's a smoke detector there, which I might be using in another video. Bye.